And the next topic today we are going to discuss about the handouts of solid waste management. In India and the global context, electronic waste, that is e-waste, has become a significant issue for environmental and the public health. Here we are going to brief out the overview of both scenario. So like when we speak about the Indian scenario, so in the Indian scenario, as we are with a rapid growth, India has witnessed a rapid growth in the use of electronic devices because which is India is the first country which is very rich in population also. So the electronic devices that commonly they use are smartphones, computers, appliances, leading to the corresponding increase in the e-waste generation. The second is informal recycling. See, here we don't have a significant methods where the e-waste in India it is managed through informal recycling sectors, which often involves the unsafe and the environmental harmful practices posing a health risk to the workers. The third point is regulatory framework. India introduces the e-waste rules in 2016, which mandate the responsible disposal and recycling of e-waste. Producers and the consumers are required to adhere for collection and recycling mechanism. The awareness and challenges. Despite regulations, awareness about a proper e-waste disposal remains low in many regions. Challenges includes the lack of infrastructure for efficient recycling, consumer awareness, and enforcement of the regulations. The next is a global scenario. In global scenario, my first thing is e-waste volume. So the global volume of e-waste is rising rapidly. In 2019, the world generated approximately 53.6 million metric tons of e-waste, with only a fraction of being recycled appropriately. And the second is the environmental impact. E-waste contains very hazardous materials and parameters which includes heavy metals, toxic chemicals, and which can contaminate the soil, water, and posing a serious environmental threats. The third is economic potential. E-waste also represents a significant source of valuable metals and the materials. Proper recycling can contribute to the circular economy and reduces the need for mining. The international agreements. Several international agreements such as Basel Convention aim to regulate the transboundary movement of e-waste and encourage environmentally sound disposal practices. The corporate responsibility, many electronic manufacturers and many companies focusing on the sustainable products, and they're designing a product where the recycling initiations has been reduced and hence the e-waste footprint has been increased. So ultimately, when we speak about the Indian and the global scenario, as a person, when we want to come out with one particular product, we need to think twice or thrice how exactly the product has been produced, how it has been treated, and whether we are going to come out with a product which has a recycling ability. So if you keep this in concern, that can be achieved. Thank you.